ClickUp Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to the ClickUp Affiliate Program Review. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at ClickUp's features and how their affiliate program works. As always, make sure to check the links in the description for more details and to sign up if you're interested in the program. ClickUp is a robust project management tool that has gained a lot of popularity among teams of all sizes. It's a versatile platform that allows users to manage tasks, collaborate in real time, and track progress across multiple projects. With features like task lists, Kanban boards, timelines, Gantt charts, and document sharing, ClickUp offers a centralized workspace that eliminates the need for multiple apps. Whether you're managing individual tasks or large-scale projects, ClickUp's highly customizable options give you the flexibility to tailor the platform to your specific needs. Now let's dive into the ClickUp Affiliate Program. This affiliate program is a great opportunity for anyone in the productivity, SaaS, or business management space. The program is designed to reward you for referring new users to ClickUp's platform, and you can earn up to $50 per sale, depending on the plan chosen by your referral. ClickUp offers multiple pricing tiers, so you can promote a product that suits both small teams and large enterprises. What sets the ClickUp affiliate program apart is their attractive commission structure and the fact that they offer a free plan, as well as a free trial for their paid plans. This makes it much easier to convert your leads since users can experience the platform before committing. Whether you're promoting it to entrepreneurs, project managers, remote teams, or freelancers, the free trial and free plan make it an easy sell. The ClickUp dashboard is also very user-friendly for affiliates, offering you detailed performance tracking and tools to help you optimize your strategy. Plus, ClickUp is known for its excellent customer support, which ensures a smooth experience both for you and your referrals. To summarize, if you're looking for an affiliate program that offers a generous payout, the chance to promote a highly functional project management tool, and a free trial, the ClickUp affiliate program is a top choice. The platform is designed to help teams become more productive, and the affiliate program is structured to reward you handsomely for your efforts. Check out the link in the description, sign up, and start earning today. Thanks for watching.